morning, everyone. This is Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a little bit of a surprise demo and review of what has become now my new favorite mascara. Yep, somebody knocked my other one off. So if you want to see which one I'm falling in love with, please stick around, stay tuned, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, if you guys have followed me all, you know, well, I've tried a billion mascaras like most of us YouTubers, but I kept going back to my very favorite mascara over and over and over again, which was a high-end brand, and it's IT Cosmetics Superhero. And this one, it just did everything. It did absolutely everything. So it was worth the money for me. It was like $22, $25, somewhere in there. And it was just worth it for me because it just did everything. And 2 coats was plenty, you know, all of that. And then I tried to find some good alternatives at the drugstore. And a lot of them were Essence mascaras. And if you guys have tried those, they are good. I'm not going to say they're not. I used a lot of this one, which is Volume Stylist 18 Hours. This was also a very good one. It wasn't as good, but it was a good daytime mascara for every day. Lash Princess, a lot of people use that one. I kind of like this one a little bit more, but all good. Recently, I went to Ulta and I bought some Ulta products, and in doing so, they give you some free goodies if you get the Ulta brand products. And in this case, I got a couple of little notebooks and a pen, you know, whatever. That's not really what I wanted, but it was free. But they also tossed in a mascara that I have never tried. And it is called Man Eater by Tarte. And some of you may know this. This is new to me. It's not brand new, but it's probably one of their newer releases, I'm sure, since it was part of the giveaway. And I just fell in love with it. It rivals IT Cosmetics, if not more so. The reason I like it a little bit more is because the brush is different and it really combs it through and doesn't get as gloppy. Now, I didn't mind the gloppiness because I have such sparse eyelashes anyway. So, you know, a lot of people don't like that for that reason. The brush for IT Cosmetics was, I'll show you, the fiber brushes. So hopefully that'll, there we go. And then the brushes on this one, the brush on this one is the rubber one, but look how fat that is. Let's see if you can see it. Oh boy, I hope it focuses. Focus. Anyway, it's got the little rubber bristles on it. Anyway, I'll demo it for you. I do 2 coats just like anything else, and occasionally I do 3, but there's something about this one that allows me to get that va-va-voom a lot sooner than a lot of the other mascaras. I have to build up. And I still have to build up just like because I want to. That's just me. But one good coat would do people who had decent lashes. I tend to do 2, and you know, for evening I might throw a little bit more on the, you know, the tips or something. So I'm going to demo this up close and personal for you guys so you can really see what's going on. So I'm kind of minimal on my eye makeup. I'm not wearing, any eyeliner. So, and no eyeliner whatsoever. I'm going to go right into this, and it is black, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, it came in the box. So yeah, there's the rubber bristles. All right, let's get up close and we're gonna do a demo. The one thing I do notice though, it kind of does push them up. I don't know if you call it curling it, but it definitely pushes them up. And you get this gorgeous separation, which normally I wasn't really a big fan of these kind of brushes, I have to say. But because of the formula and because of what it did to my lashes, I'm really now a fan. So here is one good coat. It's just one good coat. Okay, I'll do the other one. Hang on just a minute. Okay, sorry, phone call. All right, now I'm going to do the other one. I think I got a little bit on my lid, so I won't worry about that at the moment. I want you to see up close again. This does such a good job at separating, but usually when I got mascaras that did that, there just wasn't enough product to build it up, or I mean, just didn't look like anything was even on my lashes. So I wasn't a fan of these kind of brushes, but as you can see, it builds up fairly quickly. So this is just one good coat, guys. All right, let's go for round 2, because, you know, that's why I live for lashes. My lashes are starting to grow again, and I'm using that Rapid Lash daily, sometimes twice a day, and I think it's making a difference. So I'm going to show you guys. Look at how this is building up, how nicely this is building up and separating. Can you see that? Beautiful. I mean, it just... I don't wear the false lashes anymore, guys, because it's really... My lashes are growing, but this is making the most of them. See, you can have your lashes long or longer and growing and whatnot, but if you don't have a good mascara, it's not going to enhance any of it. So it doesn't... Look at this. It does not get clumpy at all, but it definitely thickens. Thickens, lengthens, curls. I mean, I'm just... such a fan. Look at this. For me, you know, if you have better lashes than me, this will even look better on you. But yes, I'm a fan. And here's the cool part, guys. I can do it underneath, and of course, hopefully I won't jinx it. But it goes on so well underneath, and I don't have any smearing, and I've not had any flakiness or fallout from the mascara. But it combs through my lower lashes. I rarely have a problem getting it smudged underneath, which I had a problem always with IT Cosmetics. I had to really be careful with that. This combs through nicely, separates and gets those lashes. See how nicely it does? I do 2 coats here as well, usually. But it's not smearing underneath, and I'm not getting flakiness. I've not had any transfer underneath my eyes with this mascara, which is almost unheard of with any mascara. And then if I really, really want to amp it, sometimes what I do is just go through and just touch the tips. You know, I'm trying to make the most of what I've got here, guys, so sometimes I'll just go over and touch the tips of it. But look at that. Isn't that a wonderful mascara? Okay, Maneater by Tarte. Again, sometimes the things are worth money and sometimes they're not. I usually try to keep things on the low end. I'm a sucker for dupes. I'm a sucker for drugstore, because drugstores really up their game a lot. But sometimes it's just worth the money. So, guys, from a distance, there we go. I hope, sorry for the wobbliness, I hope this was a good video for you guys. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you like me to review new products, demo it in a short form and not just to get ready with me, although you know I love those, let me know that. You know, I really want to know what kind of content you appreciate or are looking for from me. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Happy New Year!